Now that we've explored the import dialog, we could resume our discussion on the Preferences panel. Go ahead and open the Preferences panel again, and click on the General tab. There's 3 additional options here that we haven't yet covered. The first is select the current previous import collection during import. If we uncheck this preference, Lightroom will keep the focus on the last previously viewed images prior to import. If there's a check mark in this box, Lightroom automatically displays the images currently being imported. Typically, you want to leave this box checked. We can also set Lightroom to ignore camera-generated folder names. Since our camera typically does a good job in naming and organizing images by date, we can leave this box unchecked. The next checkbox gives us the option to treat JPEG and RAW files as separate photos. When you shoot with your camera, you can configure your camera so it saves 2 versions of a single shot. One version will be in RAW and the other in JPEG. If this box is checked, you'll see both the JPEG and RAW files in the import dialog. If both files are imported, then both JPEG and RAW will be transferred to your storage drive and treated as separate files. So essentially, you'll have 2 files available to work with. If this box is not checked, you will only see the RAW files available for import in the import dialog. In this case, if you import the RAW file, both the JPEG and RAW files are transferred to your storage device. The difference is that the JPEG files are treated as sidecar files. This means if you move your RAW file to another folder, the JPEG moves with it. If you delete your RAW file, the JPEG is also deleted. The next set of preferences is the completion sounds. This is just a set of audible alerts that trigger on certain events. You can leave them off if you find noises distracting as you work.